I'm about to go to my Uber to catch my flight in 10 minutes.
All good things come to an end.
Yeah, just wanted to, I guess, say goodbye. This is the end of this chapter, but KAUAI, here we come. Okay, Mandy and I are finally making it to the airport to go to KAUAI. We don't have anywhere to stay. Yeah. Oh shoot, we should do that.
We're gonna book a hotel, probably at the airport.
Yeah, fuck
right now I just want to chill.
Look at the view. She's ready for the next step. Okay, so it's our first day in KAUAI. We decided to come up for a beach day. 1 minute into our walk, it starts pouring rain. So
love that for us.
We are drenched, but you know what? Other than that, it's fine. It's fine. There are literally chickens and roosters everywhere. Also, this was in KAUAI. So cheap. Got my new little hat. Couldn't resist a Barbie moment. I promised myself I wouldn't buy anything, but how could I? Hey, buddy. Our hot girl walks have gone from the Hollywood stars to the ocean. Okay, so we just finally left KAUAI.
Now we're in La Hui.
Now we're staying in between because we couldn't find a hotel there. We'll show you our room.
But yeah, this room was $250 per night. Cheapest in the area.
Cheapest in the area, and
we got our own kitchen.
Yeah, we got our own little bathroom.
And
aloha. Got a shower, and then
we're actually in a museum, which is kind of cool.
This is the best part.
Oh, and there's a cat called Mango. Right there, that's Mango.
Mango.
Yeah, these are all old Hawaiian artifacts that they used as weapons, like hammers or stones. Yeah, they would slingshot those rocks.
Oh,
so
Mango's so friendly.
And then little spears too.
Wow. Okay, so happy Canada Day. I'm spending it here in KAUAI. I'm just gonna go meet Mandy for some brunch. We found the cutest brunch place called Rainbow Joe's in KAUAI. Take a look at how freaking cute it is inside. Aloha! Yes, of course. Hi Mandy, happy Canada Day. Yes. Oh, shut up. Next stop, we're going to the KAUAI Museum, baby. Okay, so we're going to a waterfall today. Our new friends are super excited to take us. Tell us about this waterfall that you're taking us to.
Wailua Falls.
Yeah.
About 150 feet. Pretty fucking mind-blowing.
Pretty mind-blowing, Mandy. Are you ready? Mandy's getting hydrated for Canada Day. Ready to hike some waterfalls. Let's go, baby. Yay! Are we about to hike down here? Is that our plan right now?
We're gonna go down there?
From in the middle?
We got like knocked out.
Apparently someone jumped down that waterfall a couple years ago and survived. We got some injuries, but crazy motherfucker.
The only one that...
Look at the rainbow.
Engage motherfucking animal.
All right, here we go.
Let's hit it. Okay, this is the hardest part.
Those are the public because the public.
Is live?
Locals only and Canadian baddies.
Hey. There you go.
Only allowed.
very slippery.
That's why you gotta balance the chakras before.
Like, I think you can do anything in the top, so you want to know so much.
I used to have the little pop-ins. One side said F, the other side said U.
I love that. Canadian spider monkey.
Those shoes are gonna be dirty.
I know.
Best way to go.
Yeah. How are we doing, Mandy? Good. I blame them. Look at these arches. Look at that shit.
I love it, bro. Love it.
Mandy Panty taking your shoes off too over there?
Yep.
Barefoot baby, let's go. Okay, so the locals have informed us it's better with shoes off.
Yeah,
Is that what we're
it's a
doing?
four-wheel drive trail.
Four-wheel drive.
You gotta have all the grips in the mud.
Okay, let's do it. You got this, Mandy! Woo! We're so close to the waterfall. Wow! Woo. We made it, barely, but we did it. Woo! Amanda, question for you.
Yeah.
Do we or do we not chase waterfalls?
We are waterfalls.
We are waterfalls. You just have to interpret that however you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our OnlyFans. Now we gotta hike back up this thing. Apparently it's easier up than down. Feeling unsure. So this is root beer. This plant is where root beer comes from. And it literally smells like root beer. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm shook. Happy Canada Day. Time to rinse off. Time for the sunset.
1, 2.
Wow. That's crazy.
You get all night, pop them out, pop them up. You can eat them raw, but we usually just throw them on the barbecue. Pepper water and soy sauce.
Happy Canada Day. Full on a baby shark. Oh, baby. Oh, no, baby. Wait.
We're
Mandy
in
and I
a
are just on a
cave.
walk through a cave, and all of a sudden we come across all these sleeping turtles.
So cute. Show the kids over there. The turtles are sleeping.
Crazy. Okay, let's go. Let's not wake them up. There's so much coral everywhere. Mandy, how you feeling?
Incredible. Check out the view.
Life is pretty good. Cannot complain.
had a yummy veggie burger and fly out in an hour.
Our boys are picking us up from the airport. I'm so excited to be reunited with our I kept wanting to say Ohana, but they are. Ohana means family. Always get to the airport early. Excited to board this plane. Excited for 4th of July. Stay tuned because the adventures are only beginning.